Spice up your relationship with these activities. Trying new things together keeps the spark alive. Here are 10 couple activities you'll love. Cook a fancy meal together. Imagine you and your partner laughing in the kitchen, kneading fresh pasta as delicious scents fill the air. The joy of creating something together brings you closer. Sunrise hike picnic. Picture this. A breathtaking drone shot captures you both on a mountain at dawn, the world waking up around you as you enjoy a cozy picnic together. DIY home spa night. Set the mood with soft lighting and candles while you share face masks and soothing foot rubs. It's a perfect way to relax and connect. Take a dance class. Feel the rhythm as you sway together during a lively salsa or swing dance lesson, letting the music guide your movements. Plan a surprise date. Imagine the thrill as one partner is blindfolded and led to a beautifully decorated room filled with unexpected delights. Volunteer together. Share joy by walking dogs at a shelter or serving food to those in need, creating special memories while giving back. Road trip to nowhere. Take a carefree drive down a scenic highway, singing along to your favorite songs and enjoying the beautiful views together. Write love letters. Connect deeply by penning heartfelt notes at a vintage desk, reminiscing about memories and dreams wrapped in each other's thoughts. Try an extreme sport. Experience the thrill of rock climbing, kayaking, or even skydiving together, pushing your limits while cheering each other on. Stargazing Campout. End the night cozied up around a bonfire, gazing through a telescope at the starry sky above, sharing dreams and wishes. Which will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like and follow for more relationship tips.